You hold it with your hand, the cuttings and everything, and then you can cut it along the cutout. In the first itself, if you have done small means we cannot able to cut it, right? So you can see this side I have removed all the threads. This side it's the same. I have yet to remove it. But if you are doing directly with the normal thread, it will be much more easy. No need to remove also. Just after cutting also, you comb it twice or thrice. And again, if you find any inequality or if you find anything means, again you can give a nice shape to this. You can always cut the extra portions if anything is there after combing. First you comb once or twice, and then after combing, if you find anything extra or like that, then you can cut it again. So once it is fully done, we'll get a nice earring or a keychain like this. Actually, you can keep it like a back tab also. You can keep for your any of your bags, side bags. Like it will be it look very nice for handbags or normal clutches, or you can keep it for your children bags. And especially normally I'll make a little bit bigger ones and I'll keep it especially during traveling, because in flights and all, if any luggage tag is there, we can easily find our luggages. Actually means how much length you want, you can keep it. And if you see, this is almost some 5 years back. And for this, what I have done is, I have mixed the glue and water in one bowl, and with the same foam I just dipped the glue and I have just combed it so that it will be a bit stiff. You can see, right? This is almost stiff. This is almost 5 years back and it is almost the same. If you don't keep Fevicol means it will be like this puffy. So actually it mainly depends upon the individual choice. Make some solution of in small bowl. Take small amount of glue and a little bit amount of water. Don't make it too much diluted, but a little bit. You can make it a little bit diluted. Just dip in that solution the comb and just you can comb it once or twice so that it will be stiff like this. Actually, normally if you are a professional macrame artist, we'll use a fabric stiffener also. It is a spray, just like varnish. How it will be a varnish? It is just a spray and it will make the fabric stiff. But normally if you are just learning for normal one earring or one keychain, that is not at all recommended and needed also. You all can just try it out and you can tag us if you have made one. I would love to see the projects. You can tag Hall of Hobbies by Shri and Pop Bunny as well, so that we would love to see your artworks.